Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the phone and Samsung TV ready. Enable your phone's mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi direct, or get a USB adapter for wired tethering. Once done, open the TV settings and find network or connection menus so you're ready to pair. Make sure Bluetooth is off to avoid interference and keep the phone within a few meters of the TV. These steps let you choose the fastest path, wireless casting, hotspot routing, or a stable wired connection. Now execute the chosen connection. If you use a hotspot, set an SSID and password on the phone, then select that network on the TV and enter the password. This routes TV traffic through your phone. For Wi-Fi Direct, start the scan on the TV and accept the pairing on the phone. This enables screen sharing without a router. If wired, attach the USB-C to HDMI or Ethernet adapter, enable USB tethering on the phone, and the TV will finish by testing a video or the TV browser to confirm the phone's network is supplying data. If speed is poor, make sure mobile data is enabled and not capped. Adjust hotspot timeout and disable battery saver on the phone. If the TV cannot see the phone, restart both devices, retry Wi-Fi direct pairing, or reconnect the USB adapter. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings on the phone if connections repeatedly fail. That clears stale programs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.